in the sky. I don't feel good. Just then the army ants marched by. Toucan jumped. Nothing can stop a column of army ants. Here come Dad. Help me up on your log. I don't want to be nailed to death. Marching by millions, marching all day long. One ant may be crazy, but millions can be wrong. One ant is tiny, two ants are still small. Multiplied by millions, and we can do it all. Teamwork. That's how we do it. Teamwork. Help each other out. If you're pairing and you're sharing, then you got a lot of clout. The ants talk about teamwork reminded Frog about something very important. His friend, the toucan, his wing was still hurt. In his eagerness to see the sky, he had not stopped to help his injured friend. So the frog summons the doctor, who says they can fix Toucan's wing. That's stuff that grows right there in the rainforest. We can fix this with the medicines of the jungle. Here, try some of these. Chew this bark, lick this leaf. If you ache, here's relief. Monsters must and you'll agree. The forest is a pharmacy. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you're drinking some dirt. But fling off that string, then try out your wing. It won't hurt.